Another thing, this one dude on TikTok blew my mind. So this dude had a brilliant strategy. And if you have the money to do this, this is the most brilliant strategy you could do if you have the resources to do it. Now, this guy did. He went to this college called WGU. That's what it's called. This dude, his name is Chris. He's one of the top cybersecurity guys out there. He went here to this college right here. He took a course in cybersecurity. I guess they have one here. He did it in 6 months. It's not going to be cheap. He did an undergraduate in I think 6 months. Then what he did, it's brilliant. So if you have the money to do this, this will get you 6 figures super fast. He took this, right? It took 6 months. It's not cheap. You know, relatively speaking, it's not cheap. This is not bad for a college, to be honest with you. So he got an undergraduate in 6 months, accelerated course in IT. Well, he did one of these. And then I believe he took IT certification with it. I believe he took one of these, if I'm not mistaken. He took one of these. See, this cloud one would be dope right here. Look at all these certifications. You could take one of these certifications with it. That's what I would do. And then after you come out with a bachelor's degree or even a master's degree with one of these cloud certifications, and then you can possibly make 6 figures after that. That's within a year, within 1 year.